In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to successfully submit your application for the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship 2024 for those pursuing their bachelor's, master's, PhD, one-tier master's and certificate programs in Hungary. I'll be sharing with you all the tips and tricks you need to know regarding the scholarship, what you should bear in mind, and how to keep track of the application so that you don't miss out on the deadlines. Please watch till the end to understand every process. And if you have not seen my video where I explain comprehensively about this particular scholarship 2024 and the eligible degree programs and its benefits, I'll be linking it up here so that you check it out. Basically, once you're on this website, Stipendium Hungaricum, you scroll down, then you see apply now and start your studies in September 2024. Click on the application timeline. And here you can see the call for application for those interested in bachelor's and master's. You can click on this link to learn more. For those interested in doctoral, you can click on this link, and this is the apply now button. But before we come to this, when you scroll down, you can see here it says first. Between November and December of 2023, you have to find your chosen program. So this is basically how the timeline is going to be looking like. So please pay attention. And this means that in this month, you're going to be finding your study program. And that means that you're going to be clicking on this link here to select your relevant study programs and finding your partner countries, depending on your country of origin. And the second step is going to be in December. This is contacting your sending partners. And your local partners could be the local Hungarian embassy in your country. So that is why I encourage you to watch the first video so that I can see the list of all the degree programs and the sending partners there. And the third is to register and upload your documents. So this is going to be in December of 2023. After you might have found your study program, then in December you'll be registering and uploading your documents. Only 2 courses are allowed. Make sure that your chosen program are relevant to the field of your studies. And the number 4 is the application deadline, which is going to be on the 15th of January 2024. And the number 5 is the February of 2024. So this is when your sending partners will nominate the best applicants by the end of February. And the nominated applications will subsequently be forwarded to the chosen Hungarian institutions. And the next timeline is until the 15th of April 2024, submitting medical certificate. So the applicant nominated by the signing partners need to submit the scanned copy of medical certificate of satisfactory health condition. And between March, April, and May of 2024, there will be an entrance examination at Hungarian universities. And finally, in June of 2024, you'll be informed of your results. And when you scroll down, you can then see the application timeline. But basically, we are still at the very first step. And to start the application, you click on the apply here. And here, the first thing you have to do is to click on sign in and register. So if you have already created an account here, you simply click on register. Otherwise, you click on I'm a new applicant. Then you register with your email. So since I've already signed in, I'm going to click on my name, Sylvia, and here I'm going to enter my password, and then I will click on sign in. The first thing you have to do is to first of all click on find programs, and here you can see the list of all the programs, and then you filter for what you're interested in. But basically you can simply filter for only show me programs I can apply to, and you select academic year 2024-2025. So currently this means that this is the only program that is open for application for academic year 2024-2025. If there were more programs, it will all be listed here. But currently, this is the only program that is open for application. But I'm going to show you other tricks as we move along. And here you can see the apply now button is activated. And you can see the application deadline is saying that you can apply until the 31st of January 2024. And when you click on more information, and here you can see the full details of this particular master's degree program. And this is funded by the European Union. And here you can read everything about this particular study program and all its entry requirements. And by my right, you can see the apply now button, the application deadline, when the studies is going to be commencing, and here you can see save to my wish list. So this is very important for you to know. So you can click on save to my wish list so that it can get you reminded. Even if you forget to complete something, you'll get an email in your inbox telling you that you still have something in your wish list to complete. So this is an important thing you need to keep in mind. So when you scroll down, you can see the overview of the program and the program structure. on the countries that are eligible to send in application. And once you're interested to apply to this, you click on the Apply Now button, and then you will come to My Applications, and here you can see you have one application that have not been submitted yet, and you have 9 unresolved tasks to complete. And for you to complete this, you simply click on Edit Application, and then you can complete the application. This is for the academic year 2024-2025. Here I'm going to click on Edit Application. Let's have a look. So basically here it gives you the whole tracks, everything that you need to be filling out. You can see your contact details, everything in asterisk is important. You can click on the education so that you can fill in your level of education. You can go to your motivation letter. This is where you'll be filling your motivation letter. You can click on the checklist. So regarding this particular application, this is the checklist that you must make sure you provide. So this is basically how you keep track of your application. So here it's telling me I have until 3 months to send in my application. Another way you could browse through this particular website is by going through Browse Institutions. So when I click on this, here you can see all the institutions in Hungary. Once you have any location in mind, all you have to do is to go through it and click on it. So for example, I'm going to click on PEX because I'm interested in the University of PEX. You can see they have 67 courses, 12 departments. Then I click on this 67 courses. Here you can see bachelor's, master's, non-degree. So depending on what you're interested in, you click on bachelor's, for example. And here you can see all the bachelor's program that is available, that is being offered by this university in relation to this particular scholarship. If you're interested in any of those, you click on them. For example, I'm going to click on computer science engineering, and now it brings me directly to this particular page. So here it shows me everything that I need to know regarding this particular program, computer science engineering. And when you scroll down, you can see the entry requirements, the countries that are eligible to apply, and other requirements. So this is very comprehensive. And by my right, you can see that it says not available for applying at the moment. So basically, this is not yet open for application. So all you need to do to keep track of it once it gets open is to simply save it on my wish list. So that way, periodically, you will get an email in your inbox reminding you of what you still have in your wish list. So once you've done that, you can click on my wish list here. It tells me that I have a total of 3 items on my wish list. The first one is the one we just added, the computer science engineering from the University of PEX, and the second one is the joint master's program, which is currently open, and the third one was the one I added before I started making this video. So you can add as much as possible so that you can keep track of them on your wish list. Another important thing I would like to also show us here is when you click on this person icon, it shows you that this is my ID. Then you come to your my profile. Here on this profile, you can see your basic data information, and basically you can just change anything you want at this page. So this is how to find the programs that are currently available for application for this particular scholarship. In the coming days, more programs will be definitely open for application. So please stay tuned because I'll be posting this on my channel, or I will make another video as the case may be. Please let me know in the comment section below if you found this video very helpful. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.